New stock price target is $550. But first of all, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started with the with the news first. So the Citigroup, which is one of the biggest American bank, upgrades their price target from $18 to $33. Not only Citigroup was upgrading the new stock price target, but also JP Morgan does it, and JP Morgan is also one of the biggest American financial company. And they upgrade the new stock price target from $14 to $40. So let's have a quick look at the new stock itself. Smash the like button real quick. So as of today, the 16th of October 2020, the new stock price is at about $29. The market capitalization here is around $34 billion. So it is considered a large cap stock. The PE ratio is not available, so it looks like they recently made a loss. That's why there's no PE ratio here. And let's have a quick look. Like 1 month ago, the new stock price was at around $19. So let's do the math here real quick. Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. Like 29 divided by 19. Wow, that's quite something. All right, so you would literally there's a 50% performance 1 month ago. So if you invest into new stock 1 month ago, you would 50% your investment if you invested in it like 1 month ago. Yeah. So 50% return on investment for 1 month. That's quite impressive. All right, next, 1 year ago, the new stock price was at, let's see, $1.46. Okay. So you would literally almost 20 times your investment if you invest into new stock 1 year ago. Alright, so to the new stock price target, if it is able to keep this kind of stock performance, new stock price will reach 1 year later, so October 2021, it will reach to $550. So this is the new stock price target for next year. So exactly 1 year ago. And it is very possible because the Chinese EV market share increases, like it quadruples the EV market share. Like last year, the electric vehicle market share was around 5%, and like 4 years later, like 2023 or 2024, something like that, the EV market share will increase to 20%. So there's a lot of room and potential to grow more and sell more EV vehicles over there. Alright, subscribe and see you next time.